you don't like milk in your coffee, this machine is for you. This is the Terra Kaffe Demi. It is a fully automatic espresso machine that is designed to be minimalist and compact. The simple dot matrix screen comes across as both futuristic and a little bit retro. The compact nature of the machine at just about 7.5 inches wide is no bigger than your average drip coffee maker. This machine was also designed by the same design group that did the TK02, Terra Kaffe's larger fully automatic espresso machine, ammunition group. The Terra Kaffe Demi is a coffee-specific super automatic espresso machine. There's no milk frothing capabilities with this machine, but what you get with it is a compact nature because there is no milk steaming. You get an easy-to-use dial here on the side that gets you through all the menu settings, and you get 5 drink options of your choice. This machine comes with stainless steel cone burrs, the same as in the larger model, the TK02. It has hot water feature, which is great for tea. It also has 5 grind settings, a 1.4 liter removable water tank, and a 4.5 ounce bean hopper capacity. That small bean hopper capacity means that you must have top clearance so that you can pour in your beans. It's not too small, it'll get you through a number of drinks, but it is smaller than some other super autos we've seen. Overall, this is a great fully automatic espresso machine that is compact and looks great on your countertop. Just keep in mind that this machine doesn't have any milk capabilities, so this is great for black coffee drinkers or someone who wants a quick espresso shot for iced lattes or even an espresso martini. As you can see, there are a lot of differences between the Demi and the TK02, most notably of which the TK02 is much larger than the Demi. The TK02 also has a lot more features. It has the milk frothing, it does have a few more drink options because of that milk frothing, and it has just the larger components, a little bit more capacity in the bean hopper and the water tank, and overall just has a little bit more functionality. Whereas the Demi, while it has a little bit less functionality, is a great alternative to something like a capsule machine or a pod machine because you can get freshly ground beans, making great espresso or Americanos or lungos, and still has that hot water function, which is great for if you have a tea drinker in your household. When doing research on this machine and going through the drink menu, I realized that there wasn't a great source of information out there for all the different options and all the different customizations that you can do for each drink and the hot water function. So I went through all the menu options, confirmed those by brewing lots of shots and doing lots of hot water pours and lots of Americanos. And I'm gonna put all that information up on the screen for you right now. You know, when talking to different customers, I know that specs like this are really important, especially with a machine like the Demi. I had little knowledge that there was actually a triple shot option for most of the drinks, which is pretty rare in the super automatic espresso machine space. So this is the type of information that I would definitely like to know before making a purchase or just reviewing different super automatic espresso machines. In terms of cleaning on the Demi, this machine is pretty easy to clean. There's a removable brew unit that means that you can rinse it and also give it a thorough cleaning when it's needed. The machine will also prompt you to clean it with different cycles, like a cleaning cycle, descale cycle, when to replace the filter, and other functions on the machine to clean as well. There is a menu option to rinse manually, and the machine will also automatically rinse itself, but you can always give it another rinse so that you're sure that the water circuit is nice and clean for your next shot. We have a lot of coffee content here at SEG, so if you want new recipes, updates for when we have sales, or to know when new products drop, be sure to sign up for our email newsletter. The same burr set that is in the TK02, its larger brother. I don't want to gender it. Why did I gender it? I don't have any siblings, I don't know if you could tell. I mean, it is pretty big. That thing's pretty hefty. Okay. One most notably of which, the TK02 is very large.